Welcome to Rosie's Recess.
Welcome to Rosie's Recess. We're going to make ice marbles. All you need is water, balloons, and food coloring. And it needs to be wicked freezing outside. We're going to put water in it, and then we will put food coloring, and then we'll put it outside so it freezes. Can you get started? Red, yellow, green, and blue. Pink, and then we will do orange. Then we will do silver. And then we will get orange. Let's head to the bathroom to do this. The color of the lid will be its color. Can you open the stream?
Razor whip. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, just pulls it. Okay. This one nice and deep. Deep color. We have extra food coloring. Do you want to use a bunch?
Can we use more?
Sure.
Yeah, so first we have to add food coloring, then the water.
Okay, we have to pull that all the way around. Nice. Good job. Close.
Can you do it?
Yeah, that was close.
I can't do
Almost
it.
had it. Almost had it.
We have like 3 more left.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay, now we fill it with water. Then we fill it with water. You can kind of see that red.
Yeah.
That's
That's it?
Yes. That's good.
Okay. Let's see what this one. It's slippery.
And we have to tie it. And we have to tie it, and then we'll do a second balloon. Second balloon. And one more food coloring that we haven't done, and there's 2 more balloons. So 2 balloons will be the same color, okay? Food coloring out.
And for this, we chose McCormick assorted food coloring because we had multiple colors in one package. Worked out perfectly.
You know we have access to more food coloring.
We do have access.
Why'd you get more? Oh.
So we could use it for something else.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do you want the balloon to be light blue or dark blue?
Light blue.
Perfect. Alright, now we stretch it over the spout again.
You do it.
Okay.
Okay, so we got 1 more color, and then we have 2 balloons. So.
Do not use a balloon that has a hole in it.
So if you have 2 more excess things, then one had a hole in it, use a different one with the same color, and then there will be 1 more.
Okay.
The green.
You want to use, which one? It was that one, right? Blue?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we need 5 drops if you want to do light. And you stretch it over the spout. Hopefully this does not have a hole in it.
Fingers crossed. Now I'm nervous. Okay, we're okay.
It was so funny, because in the first one you can kind of see that red color. Please tell me that's enough. You don't want it to burst.
Okay, and then
Tie it.
tie it.
Now we need the green. 1, 2.
I think you pull it up. There you go.
There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice.
Is that 5 drops?
I think so. Shall we?
Why are your hands blue?
From the food coloring on the last one.
That blue food coloring that popped out.
That's the stuff.
Cast that blue color or green color. Cast that green color.
Okay.
And then after all of these are done tied, we go outside and put them in the snow. And then we put them, and then we go to bed. And then when we wake up, we pick them up, put them in, and then we cut them open. So we have huge Orbeez. Not Orbeez, like marbles. So if you have excess food coloring, we gotta put the caps on so we can use it again. And I'm gonna go put on my coat and then follow me. We're gonna go outside and put them in the snow. Use this amount of soap, scrub it all over your hands, and wash it all off. Scrubby scrubs. Hey, this will last for a few weeks. There, heavy.
Nice job. You got it?
I can't.
Nah.
The green one. This big orange one. I'm gonna go to bed now, and then whenever it's in the morning, I gotta pick them up, go inside, and cut them so I can see what the Orbeez look like. Of course, I'll only just cut the balloons.
Sounds good.
Hi guys, this is now the next morning. Good morning. Now we're gonna take out the balloons, and then we'll go inside and cut them open. I have gloves on, so we can, and then you'll have to brush them off. It's slippery because of the gloves. Come on, gotcha. If they don't freeze all the way, I'm gonna go put them in the freezer. Hi guys, welcome to Rosie's Recess. We just put them in the freezer, we just took them out, and then we're gonna cut them open.
You're gonna need an adult for this part because it requires sharp objects, right?
And then you're gonna have to want to cut this off, and then I'm gonna peel and James will cut it.
Yep, I'm gonna get the little incision started here.
That's the part that you blow off.
Get it ripped. Let's see.
And let's see what the...
Oh. Did it squirt you?
Yes.
Are you okay?
It squirt me in the eyeball.
Oh, gee. Are you okay?
Yeah. You know there's no glass.
Oh, jeez, Louise.
Remember, it can squirt through my eyes because there's no glass?
Apparently. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna... It's a little gooey.
Do you mind cutting all the way across?
Sure. Alright, we're gonna cut all
Not all the way across, just cutting them out, so.
Alright, I'm gonna
Just snip.
cut this. It's not as smooth as I anticipated it to be. Ah!
It didn't scrub me in the eye this time.
Okay, good. Be very careful with this because the
things.
scissors can catch on the rubber. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do.
Because you can cut your fingers. So ask an adult to help you with this
That's
part.
correct. Alright, whoa, it's gonna come right off. Do you wanna hold it? Because it's gonna come way off. Ready? Peel it, peel it, peel it.
Can you peel it?
Sure, you wanna go together? Pull that top part back. Oh, whoa, look at that. That's very cool. That looks really cool.
Yes.
Alright.
This kind of reminds me of something.
What's it remind you of?
It's sweet and sour.
A
lemon.
A lemon, it does look like a lemon. That's awesome. Which one do you want to cut open next?
Okay, so now we will do the sky.
Alright, and this one, you can't control really how they're going to be shaped when they freeze, just because the balloons are going to settle into the snow in a strange way. So,
We just put them in the freezer.
We did have to put them in the freezer because they didn't actually freeze overnight, but depending on your climate,
I'm really scared.
it's ripping out a little bit. Alright, get that cut off. Alright, this one's gonna be like a red. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa, it's like a big dent.
It is like a dent. It's got like a little crater in it. That's pretty cool though.
It's pretty cool to see what one looks like cut open.
It is. That one's got a little water left inside, but that's okay. Alright, which one next? The green or the orange?
We'll do orange. I really want to see if this is water or not.
Alright, let's see.
Or if it's dented.
Now watch out for your eyeballs again. Whoa, and then just squirting out a little bit. So this one's actually blue, I think.
I think.
I forget which color.
Oh, it's blue. It's definitely blue.
That's pretty cool. All right, let's see.
It's blue.
1, 2. Oops. Try that. There we go. Cover this. Oh wow.
Wow.
That's very cool looking.
Look at that. There's no dent. I am surprised. There's like. Look at
That's
that.
alright. All right, one left to go. Ready?
Yes. Here's this. Leave that there. This is really cool. The blue one does not even have a dent. It's just smooth here. But
pretty cool.
dented like that. It kind of looks like a dino egg.
It does look like a dino egg. Rainbow-saurus Rex. All right.
Why are you saying rainbow source legs?
Because they're all rainbow colors. Rainbow colored dinosaur eggs.
But they're not really dino eggs.
What? I've been bamboozled. I was told there would be dinosaurs in these eggs.
No, they weren't.
Whoa. All right. Now, look at
Green.
that one. Let me pull that off.
Okay.
Very nice. The balloons will be a little gooey. That's very cool. Look at that. So now what are you going to do with them?
We're going to put them outside and see the final result. This is almost like a freezing project.
It is a freezing project, like a family fun project.
Yes.
Pretty cool. You have fun doing this?
Yes.
All right, awesome.
I can't believe how cool they
So
look.
depending on the size that you decide to go with these, they will take a while to freeze, as we found out this morning when they weren't actually solid. So we put them in the freezer for a while, and here they are. There's still a couple little air bubbles, but for the most part, it's really simple. It's fun. They look great. They actually look, honestly, a lot cooler than I expected. This is a pretty cool result. And we're gonna go outside, put them in the snow, and snap a cool photo for you guys to show you the final result. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
All right, awesome. So please share this video if you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. Subscribe to Rosie's channel, and we're gonna keep doing more videos.